This time, I will introduce the history of one of Japan's famous dishes, sushi. Sushi is one of Japan's representative foods, consisting of vinegar rice topped with raw fish or vegetables. There are various theories about the origin of sushi, but generally, it is said to have originated in the early Edo period near Hirai, Edogawa Ward, Tokyo, where it was sold at the fish market along the Edogawa River in the form of namasushi, raw fish on vinegar rice. During the early Edo period, sushi was in the form of namasushi, raw fish on vinegar rice, and sold at the fish market along the Edogawa River. At that time, preservation technology was undeveloped, so it was necessary to consume fresh fish immediately, and it was common to eat it raw. Then, in the mid-Edo period, a food called sushi appeared in Edo. This sushi consisted of vinegar rice with salmon, sardines, etc., and topped with salted or steamed fish, and is considered the prototype of sushi today. In the late Edo period, vinegar rice was added to sushi, and nigiri sushi, with raw fish on top, was born. In the Meiji era, many sushi restaurants opened in Tokyo, and nigiri sushi became popular. In the Showa era, the types of sushi ingredients diversified, and sushi made with vegetables such as egg omelets, cucumbers, and avocados, as well as seafood such as tuna, shrimp, squid, and octopus, became popular. Modern sushi is also popular overseas, with sushi restaurants opening all over the world. In addition, the types and ways of eating sushi have diversified, and in addition to traditional Japanese sushi, unique variations such as sushi rolls and fusion sushi are also popular overseas. As described above, sushi has been loved as a representative Japanese food since the Edo period. In modern times, the popularity of sushi has increased even more because of the variety of sushi available. In recent years, efforts have been made to address the decrease in the amount of fishery resources used as sushi ingredients and environmental issues. There are various types of sushi, including nigiri sushi, maki sushi, and ashi sushi. Nigiri sushi is made by topping vinegar rice with raw fish and squeezing it with hands, and there are various types depending on the fish parts and seasoning. Maki sushi is made by rolling ingredients in vinegar rice, with maki sushi, rolled with seaweed, and tamago maki, rolled with egg omelet, being representative. Ashi sushi is made by placing ingredients on top of vinegar rice on the bottom and is also popular in recent years in the form of hako sushi, which is processed into an easy-to-eat shape. In addition, there are various ways of eating sushi, such as seasoning with soy sauce and wasabi or eating it as it is without adding soy sauce or vinegar. Moreover, the way of eating sushi and the types of sushi also vary depending on the region. The preparation of sushi involves a great deal of skill and technique, and it can take years of practice to become a skilled sushi chef. The quality of the ingredients, especially the fish, is also crucial to the taste and texture of the sushi. In Japan, there are many famous sushi restaurants, and some of the most renowned chefs can command very high prices for their creations. In addition to traditional sushi, there are also many variations and fusion styles of sushi that have become popular in recent years. Some of these include sushi rolls, where the ingredients are rolled in nori seaweed and sliced into bite-sized pieces, and tempura sushi, where the fish is coated in batter and deep-fried before being served on top of the rice. There are also many non-traditional ingredients used in sushi today, such as avocado, cream cheese, and even fruits like mango and strawberry. Overall, sushi is a beloved and iconic food in Japan that has become popular all over the world. Its history and evolution reflect the changing tastes and techniques of Japanese cuisine, and it continues to inspire new and innovative creations in the culinary world. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. We would be grateful if you could also check out our other videos. If you have any questions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing more content in the future.